Hey guys, I thought that we could do something fun today. I hope you're all doing well. I miss all of you. I know that y'all used to love it when we did our drawings in class, so I thought let's do that together now and do something that will give you something fun to do and that you can be creative with and color afterwards. Sound good? All right, so get your parents to help you find something to draw with and a piece of paper, okay? I'll give you a few minutes. All right, so Miss Raley does not have any pretty paper here at home, believe it or not. So I'm going to use the back of one of my notebooks. I'm just going to be creative here on what I'm using and walk you through the steps. So to begin, I want you to draw one straight line around the middle of the page. Okay, that's step one. All right, for step two, we're going to do like an upside down letter U to connect this side over to this side, okay? So kind of like a rainbow goes, and does not have to be perfect. We're just going to do a half circle to connect this side. Remember, perfection is not necessary. You just have to do your best. Everybody's will look a little bit different, but they will all be amazing. All right, step three, we're going to make another little half rainbow right here. It's going to be smaller, okay? So watch, I'm going to go from about right here, make a little loop right over here. Okay, for our next step, it's going to be quiz time. How many legs does an insect have? I'm going to give you a couple of minutes. Did y'all like my Jeopardy song? All right, so if you got the answer correct, get your parents to give you a high five. The answer was 6 legs for an insect, so we need to draw on 6 legs. I'm going to start here in the middle, come down over like a letter L. That's going to be one of his legs. 2, 3. And for the other 3, I'm going to do a backwards L. 1, 2, 3. Anybody have any ideas of what our drawing is starting to be? All right, if you didn't know what our drawing was yet, you probably will after our next step. So on each side and at the top, we're going to do some more little half circles to create dots on the body of the animal that we're making. I'm going to kind of make them different sizes, different shapes. Okay. All right, now that you have those done, we're going to do our next step. And since you've gotten really good practice at those half circles, we're going to come back down here to our legs and go to the end of our L's and make a half circle back to connect it. It's going to make his cute little feet. Connecting it back. And on this side, we'll connect it back this way. Okay, I'll give you a few minutes to get that done. If your parents need to pause the video as we're going, we can do that too. All right, for our next step, we're going to draw some eyeballs for our little bug. I'm going to do one that's kind of big and another one that's maybe slightly smaller. I want mine to look kind of silly. So there's his eyes, 2 circles. I know that you're all really good at drawing circles, so you've got that done. And then for his cheeks, I'm going to make 2 more half circles on each side of his cute little face. All right. Our next step is to give another body part that all insects have. It comes out of their head. Let's see if you can tell your parents what body part that is. I'm going to do my Jeopardy song for you again. You ready? All right, time's up. The answer was antennas. So if you gave the answer antennas, get you another high five. I'm going to bring them up and loop around and make them curly, okay? On both sides of his head. Have you figured out what animal we're doing yet? Which insect? That's right, it's a ladybug. All right, so next we're going to put his little eyes in there, 2 little black dots, one here, one here. And to give him a smile, we're going to draw a line from this cheek over to this cheek. And we have a cute little ladybug. Now, once you get done, you might want to add some other features to your picture. I'm going to draw the ground that he's walking on by putting a straight line across. I might draw a cloud up in the sky and the sun shining down. And we can always add some little pieces of grass down here. You guys know that I love to include flowers in my pictures too. So over here next to him, I'm going to put a pretty flower. We know that flowers also have leaves, right? So I'll just add them on. There we have it. That's our drawing for the day, which is a ladybug. So my request for you is that whenever you get done, I want you to color it really pretty and maybe write a sentence at the bottom about the ladybug. How about we make the sentence say, ladybugs have, and then you can fill in the blank at the end. So let's start with our first word, ladybug. Think of the sound that you hear at the beginning of ladybug. That's right, it's the letter L. And remember, we always start our sentence with an uppercase letter. So I'm going to put my uppercase L for ladybug. And if you want to try to sound out the rest of the word and spell it the best that you can, that would be wonderful. I'd be so proud of you. But I'm going to go ahead and fill it in. Ladybugs have. Have is one of our power words that we practiced for a long time. Let's see if you can tell your parents how to spell have. Good, that's right. Have is H-A-V-E. Okay, so now you get to choose how to end your sentence. Ladybugs have, you might choose to say, ladybugs have 6 legs, or ladybugs have antenna, or ladybugs have spots. But I want you to tell me something about ladybugs. And once you have your sentence and your picture colored, I want your parent to send me a picture so that I can see it and share it maybe. I can't wait to see what y'all get done. And don't forget, all sentences have to have a period at the end, so put it on there like I did. All right, I'm proud of you guys. Love y'all, and we'll do this again soon. Bye.